Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Tifa, ready for love after calling off her engagement. The dancehall star is making waves, and not just for her electric stage presence. She is turning heads with her daring new single, Wantaman, produced by Digital One Production. The track, she explains, has layers, drawing from her own love life and the dating drama of her inner circle.
All my friends were calling me Tifa. We said the boy this, the boy that. Like everybody that was in a relationship, a situationship had an issue, and everybody was calling me for some odd reason. And I'm like, when everybody had the same problem, like yeah, them boy and them soft girl era, and we can't bother and this and that and that and this and that. And then the same week is like another murder suicide because of the same thing, because of the relationship dynamic between man and woman.
These nowadays men be girlier than even my girlfriend. I want a man strong. Make me feel safe in your hands. I want a man to belong, to make me understand.
Bounty Killer to be honored at the 2025 Caribbean Music Awards Show. CMA made the announcement this week via Instagram that the dancehall icon will receive a Lifetime Achievement Award celebrating his powerful legacy and influence across generations. The announcement comes just days before the Warlord makes his highly anticipated return to the US stage this weekend, his first performance there in 15 years. The event, dubbed The Return of the Warlord, is set for the Barclays Center in Brooklyn and features a star-studded lineup including Movado, Massacre and Idonia, with even more surprise guests promised for the historic event. Oliver Samuels honored by the city of Lauderhill. The city has bestowed the major honor on Jamaican comedy legend Oliver Samuels, presenting him with the key to the city. Speaking with E-Prime, Samuels shared his excitement.
I was very appreciative because, for one, the reason being that not just in Jamaica but outside of Jamaica, people have appreciated the work that I have been doing for all these many years.
Mayor Denise Grant shared why it was important to recognize the Caribbean king of comedy.
Oliver Samuels was presented with the key to the city of Lauderhill because of his 55 years of being a cultural icon and for his contribution to comedy, not just in Jamaica, throughout the Caribbean and abroad. And we just found it fitting to be able to celebrate him and to honor him at this time. 55 years in any sort of industry is a very long time, but to be successful at it for 55 years is really something phenomenal.
This latest recognition comes on the heels of another major milestone early this year. Samuels received the Golden Lifetime Achievement Award for 55 years of excellence in entertainment and was officially crowned Caribbean King of Comedy at the 42nd International Reggae and World Music Awards. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.